Welcome to my Road Power TV channel. The future of electric mobility is here and it's more versatile than ever. Meet the 2025 Kia PV5, a bold leap into the world of electric vans that promises to redefine how we think about commercial and personal transport. Designed from the ground up to be more than just a vehicle, the PV5 is a smart, modular platform that can adapt to a wide variety of needs, from delivery services to ride-sharing, and even personal travel. With its futuristic design, spacious interior, and smart features, Kia is making it clear that the future is electric, and it's arriving sooner than we think. From the moment you lay eyes on the PV5, it's obvious that Kia wasn't interested in sticking to the old playbook. The design is sleek, minimal, and distinctly modern. It's built on Kia's PV5 platform, that stands for Platform Beyond Vehicle, and that's exactly the point. This isn't just a van, it's a mobile solution. The flat floor, boxy shape, and flexible architecture make it incredibly easy to customize. Whether it's fitted out as a cargo hauler, a passenger shuttle, or a mobile office, the PV5 is built to morph into whatever you need it to be. The all-electric powertrain is expected to deliver smooth, quiet, and efficient performance. While Kia hasn't released final specs yet, they've hinted at multiple battery sizes and drive configurations, including rear-wheel and all-wheel drive options. The modular battery system will likely support fast charging, with some estimates suggesting up to 80% charge in under 30 minutes. That's a game changer for businesses that rely on uptime to stay profitable. And with Kia's growing investment in charging infrastructure through its parent company Hyundai Motor Group, finding a fast charger shouldn't be a hassle. Step inside and you'll immediately notice how thoughtfully designed the interior is. It's minimal, but not boring. The digital cockpit is clean and intuitive, featuring a large central touchscreen paired with a digital instrument cluster. The materials are sustainable and modern, with a focus on durability and ease of cleaning, essential for commercial use. The cabin layout is highly configurable, with sliding doors, fold-flat seating, and a rear that can be outfitted in countless ways. Kia is also planning to offer purpose-built variants of the PV5, including delivery models with built-in shelving and temperature control, as well as ride-hailing versions with more comfortable rear seating. Technology is a huge part of the PV5 experience. Kia's next-generation infotainment system includes full wireless connectivity, over-the-air updates, and integration with fleet management software. There's also talk of autonomous driving features down the line. Level 3 autonomy is already in the works, which could allow hands-free driving in certain scenarios. That kind of tech has huge potential for businesses looking to optimize delivery routes or reduce driver fatigue. One of the most exciting things about the PV5 is how it fits into Kia's broader PBV strategy. This isn't a one-off. Kia plans to roll out a whole lineup of PBV models in the coming years, each tailored to specific industries and customer needs. The PV5 is just the start. With its blend of smart design, cutting-edge tech, and electric efficiency, this van represents a major step forward in mobility. If you've been waiting for an electric van that doesn't compromise on space, capability, or innovation, the 2025 Kia PV5 might be exactly what you've been looking for. It's more than a van. It's a vision of what's to come. We'll see you next video.